What's up, Freeway Gang? It's your boy Freeway back again with another video. And y'all, I'm customizing my car. Look. My whole armrest off and all of that because I want to reupholster all of this because that looks horrible. And then I'm gonna spray paint all of this stuff baby blue and all of this and this, but I gotta wait to park somewhere and take all of this off.
He said you know, he thought it was the little white puppy that barked all the goddamn time and ran over everything.
Look,
I said, that's Roscoe. That's people I see. You don't take that to the sales. They got to take in the car park, goddamn. Come on,
me for no reason. That man don't want this dog in that house. Look at my hair, so frizzy. Ah. So you know it's time to come down. When they start doing that, it's too loose. But I had to take them rubber bands out. This stuff was hurting. But yeah, basically what I'm gonna do, I got a bag of carpet from Grupo. I don't know which one I want to use for up there because I really want to find something that's bold. And then I got to take this out. I already took all of that stuff down. Then I'm spray painting all of the black pieces baby blue. And then all of the accessories, probably paint them like either white or chrome. But I'm tired of looking at this car looking like this. For real, for real. She need to come on though. That's all I do know. Ain't that right, Chili? Ain't it right? Ain't that right? I guess that's a yeah. Alright, this is the end result of what the car is looking like right now with old panels or anything. Oh, I got to do my review. Hey. And that. But they finna leave and I'm finna go to the Dollar Tree and get me some spray paint to spray paint this with. I really hope. Yes. Some. Spray paint. I don't. Now I know for a fact Walmart got it. I just know they stuff hot. Yo got it. You see what's standing in, boo? Okay. Now which blue do I want? All of them high. They all $3.96. Hold on, let me go down. Whew, 5. 6. Oh, okay. Let me go back down this way. I'll just find something. I'll be back. Got it. It was $4.20. If it was at the dollar store or something, it would have been like $2, and I could have got 2 cans. I'm done painting it. What are you doing, fatty? What are you doing? Come here. But see, it only took 1 can of spray paint too. Yeah. Don't mind my music. This is the biggest piece, and I don't think I got it all. But we'll see once it's in the car. And I hope don't none of the like screw holes get had too much paint on them or nothing. But let me go get the rest of the stuff out. I'm done now. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. I like it. I chipped some pieces, but I knew it wasn't gonna come out perfect. It's spray paint. I mean, come on. On plastic at that. See? I like it. The thing, I was trying to color block, and I think I did a good job. And then this is gonna be blue too, but I gotta order that offline. But if y'all like this video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe. Ooh, look at my Smurf fingers. Hit that bell so you can be notified and join the gang.